guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun gifting idea for a couponer's guide to gifting. I want to share with you guys a gifting idea that you can do for a teacher. So I came up with this like ice cream sundae box. So first of all, I just turned a Amazon shipping box into my box, and I'm going to share everything that is inside. So I found a 12 pack of these ice cream bowls and spoons. So they are plastic reusable cups and spoons. So there's a purple one, a pink one, there was a blue one and an orange one. And then it came with matching spoons. So I just put in a box a set of 4 of the bowls as well as the spoons. And then I picked up an ice cream scoop from the Dollar Tree, and then I put on there just add ice cream. And then I also got from the Dollar Tree these little like plastic bins. So these came in a pack of 2. And inside I put like the things that you would put on top of your sundae. So I have some Christmas sprinkles, and then I also have some marshmallows, and then I just tucked that away in the little container like this. And then I added in a package of fun napkins. And then I also have 2 different gift cards in the box. So I have a gift card to Cold Stone, and then I also have a gift card to Baskin Robbins. So this is kind of a fun way to like dress up a like a gift card gift on a budget, because it was really inexpensive to get these bowls, and it came with 12 of them. So that will be 3 gifts for a family of 4. So I can do 3 different boxes like this. And you could put like $5 on the Baskin Robbins gift card, enough to get like a pint of ice cream or something like that. Or they don't have to go to Baskin Robbins. You could just add ice cream, and then they can go to their local grocery store. Maybe you want to put like $5 in a little envelope that says go and pick out your favorite ice cream, and then you kind of have like an ice cream sundae box. So this is what I have to share with you guys today for a couponer's guide to gifting, just a way that you can kind of dress up a gift card and something fun to do for a teacher gift. Or maybe you're doing a Secret Santa at work, or you know, you're gifting to someone that literally has everything. So you're thinking to yourself, okay, well, what can I gift the person that has everything? Why not a family ice cream night in a box? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And for today's comment of the day, so for today's question of the day, I want you to let me know what your favorite ice cream flavor is. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.